Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the MCP server, how it connects with an AI agent. And in this case, we're going to be using the Claude desktop AI. We're going to utilize the available tools in MCP server. We'll use some of the toolkit to query our infrastructure, in this case ACI. There are many MCP servers available now for Cisco and other vendors. For Cisco, we have Meraki, Cisco ICE, Catalyst Center, MCP server, and in this case, I'm going to be using ACI MCP server. As I said, I'm using Claude Desktop. It's a free version with limited tokens. But for this test, we can use the available tokens to give you an idea on how it works. I'll be connecting my to my ACI Fabric via Claude. I will ask it to use the tool, in this case, a specific tool to query an interface on a leaf switch and get the info for all the APGs that that interface is assigned to. This is one of a very common issue where a network engineer will be looking for an interface and assign APGs to track that an interface is trunked with all the needed VLANs or APGs in this case. So let's start. Let's see how MCP server is configured in Cloud Desktop. I'll click on the plus sign here and go to connectors to make sure that MCP server is connected and is running. This MCP server, I actually downloaded this from GitHub, and it's from a Cisco engineer named Biliti Agizi. He's a CCIE and a CCDE architect level engineer. And thanks to him that he has developed this MCP server. So let's look at the manage or available tools. We click on manage connectors. And here we can see all the tools that are available. In this case, authenticate to Epic. That's going to give us the session token. And then we can use fetch Epic class. That will query the ACI manage object for any class that we are looking for, and then easy ones like get tenants information, get application profiles, EPGs. For this test, I'm going to be using get leaf interface classes tool, and that will query an interface on a leaf to see where that interface is assigned to which EPGs, or if it's statically mapped to multiple EPGs, and if it's carrying the if it's trunked for the VLAN or EPG in this case. To see the settings on how it's configured, we go to the file settings developer menu, and it should be running here. It's a UV Python package that is running the this Epic MCP server file. Just make sure you have the required modules for your Python environment. That is in that GitHub repository. It shows you which modules you need to install. And you know that Cloud Desktop config is in a JSON file, and the MCP server is configured here. This is a very simple JSON file for Claude, and we define the Epic server with this Python package uv.exe file, and then we give it the argument to go to this directory and then run this Python file. Very simple. So let's go and run a test. Uh, I'll tell Claude to fetch the information for a particular interface on a leaf switch using the MCP tool. Okay, so let me add the chat here using MCP tool. So we are basically asking using MCP tool use the MCP tool get leaf interface classes and fetch the info for interface Ethernet 120 on leaf 108, and then present this info in a table format and to be downloaded. Okay, so it has retrieved the data. In the background, it logged in and is querying the APIC or ACI for that interface. Okay, as you can see, it presented the information in a table format. You can download this. It also gives you the summary on what interface we queried. In this case, node 108, interface 120, and it found EPGs deployed 26, and it's in the this tenant. And here you can see, it created a nice table for the leaf, for the interface, and where that interface is statically mapped or deployed. This tool also makes it available to download in Excel or CSV format. So very nice information. Just to confirm in ACI also that this information is correct, let's log into Epic. So here I'm in Epic, and this is the leaf node 108. Let's go to the interfaces, and we were looking for 120. And if you go to the deployed EPGs, it's going to show you all the EPGs this interface is assigned to. With these are the 26 EPGs that this interface is assigned to, and these are the VLANs it's carrying. So you saw all this information through Claude. You didn't have to, go through all these menus in ACI to get this information, and Claude, present this information in a downloadable table format. So pretty nice. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll come up with another one very soon. Thanks again.